peeps, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Diana D. Second video since I've actually filmed, so this is getting better. Like, I feel like I'm back in the groove of things. The last video, it was a little bit all over the place, but I just wanted to get back on here and say hello once again. And then, how are you guys doing? My energy is back. I feel good. So today I'm going to be testing out some products that I picked up at TJ Maxx. Some of these products aren't new. I mean, they're new to this channel, but they aren't new to the whole industry. Like, these products have been out before, but I just haven't gotten my hands on these products. This channel, they may be new to be introduced to this channel, but they're not new to the industry. This type of video. So the first product we're going to be introducing to the channel is the Smashbox. This is their Crystallized Touch The Hood Witch Photo Finish Primer Water. So this is what it looks like as packaging wise. It has, of course, a pump because it's primer water, and it says on the bottle, the Sensitive Primer Water is inspired by the negativity releasing energy of smoky quartz, used to hydrate the skin, prep for makeup, and refresh your makeup and aura. So that's what it says. Okay, so it has a pump on it. I'm gonna shake it. Whew, has a little, not really a smell, but you know, it'll work. So this is like my first time actually applying a primer water to my skin, so hopefully it does well. And I've got this at TJ Maxx, and it's $12 at TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go ahead and take my two favorite steps. I'm gonna use the Kevin Aucoin to apply my highlighter, and I'm gonna take the pressed powder in Ebony by LA Colors Cosmetics. That's their mineral. Okay, so now that we have that part done, that part have already like been explained, so I don't really have to necessarily go over that part again. Just know it's a part of my routine now. It's like very my favorite step to do. So there's a new brow product that I have been trying out. This is the LA Colors. This is their eyeliner and brow pencil in black brown. Now Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner is my baby, hands down, but I want to try out something a little bit different, so I'm just going to go and do my brows. Our primer, well, now that we have our brows, you know that this is Wowie, supposed to have perfect brows after use. It comes in with this little utensil here. It has the spoolie, and then it has the applicator for the brow, and then this is the product itself. Soft brown is usually the shades that I do go for. The last one actually dried out on me, so it was really time for an up-to-date one. And I do forget, they do come with like a little sealed. Oops, don't be too hard on it. So they do come with a little sealed, and it's just easier removable parts. So I'm just going to take the product here, and I'm going to dip it into the product. I usually like to take the excess off and just tap the back of my hand like this. I take it and like to tap it, so you know it can have an easier application. And then with the easier application, it'll be a better, smoother process. So what I do is I just kind of like fill in the brow, just a tad bit. This one just might be, oh, this one's a little light. A little light. Just a tad bit light. So okay, so this one is just a tad bit light for me. So what needs to be done here. Okay, that's a tad bit light, as you can see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the other one. So the other one I use dark brown, and that actually works a lot better. Yes, it works a lot better than what I just used. That one's just a tad bit light. So going back in. Okay, it's getting crazy. So what I need to do is take the beginning part of the brow, clean it up with the makeup wipe, because it got crazy. We don't need to be looking crazy on camera. Okay, so we have finally got the brows done. Now we're gonna go brows with powder, going in with Morphe. Alright, so now that we have our brows done, set in place, the Milani, this is their Bold Obsessions eyeshadow palette. So pretty. I love gold packaging of an eyeshadow palette. And on the back it has the shades. So the shades are Can't Pink Straight, Sweet as Honey, Bear It in Mind, Sands of Time, Gold Getter, Slate All Day, Suicide to the Side, Blaze of Hot, Smoky Signals, Burnett's Have Fun, Read Between the Lines, and Little Black Dress. And it has a mirror, and these are the shades. And then front, back, side. Really don't know what look I'm gonna go for. Probably, ooh, they got nice transition choices, but I want to do a smoky look today. So I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics brush from the Royal Affair collection. I believe I'm going to start out with Sweet as Honey. I'm going to take Sweet as Honey plus Sweet as Honey. Oh no, man, she's too light. Okay, so I'm going to take Little Black Dress, of course. Okay, so for me, I don't know if it's turning out on camera like gray, but it looks more grayish to me, not black, like pitch black. Just looks a little grayish to me. I know my colors, but it's just, let me know. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my favorite part is palette, and I'm going to go into the same palette that we are using. So throughout this look we are going to be using the same exact palette. I'm going to go back in with Little Black Dress. I'm going to take Little Black Dress and focus it just a little bit more on the outer V. That looks messy. That looks, sharpen it up some. I may want to do like a sultry look today. I think I'm going to focus on, this is where it gets hard at. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with Sweet as Honey. Use an angle brush with Sweet as Honey, and I'm going to apply Sweet as Honey onto the, go in with, what's those two shades? Slate All Day and, no, Sand of Time and Suicide we're gonna go ahead and mix those two shades, and it's these two shades right here. This would be a great everyday palette. Like, this would be a great everyday palette. Like, I can say that it would be gorgeous as an everyday color choice. We're just gonna apply it halfway to that lid. There, don't worry. Now I'm gonna go in with Blazing Hot. Ooh. Conceal Plus Perfect medium to dark. I do have the Cover FX setting powder in medium, so hopefully this one don't fail me. Powder brush to do so. I am excited about this one this much. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at this. So I'm gonna have to just tap it like that. I'm gonna tap this thing so I feel like I have enough coverage. Okay, it's cute though. It's like a cute little. How to look, y'all? They look good. Just feel soft. It's looking okay. Gold getter. Ooh. Hello, please. Yes, ma'am. With the eyeshadow. I just love the fact that eyeshadows can be versatile, you guys. Like, you can go different ways with eyeshadow. And still be popping. Now, I don't know. And then for a little bit more of gloss, I'm gonna take my lip gloss, which is Rockelle Cosmetics lip gloss, in the shade Clear. Apply it to the center and then let it do its job. I'll see that lip looks better. Here is the complete look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Trying out new products. Not quite new, but new for this channel. And I will definitely give you guys updates on how I feel about the product once the products that I did use in this video as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Follow all of my social media. It'll be linked in the description box below. And I gotta go. Now I'll chat with you soon. Bye, guys.